Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make the famous Turkish coffee here in Egypt. We just need a little water and the Turkish coffee and little sugar just to boil it with this kind of coffee maker. So here we go guys. Once it's getting boiled and it's like erupting like a volcano, you can just take it out just like this one. So before it will erupt, just put it in your cup. It's one of their famous drink here in Egypt other than the tea. So this like their medicine every morning, in the afternoon, in the evening guys. So hope you like it guys. You can do it in your home, try it, you will like it, I swear. So have a good day guys, and I see you on my next video. Thank you, bye.